Hey, let me ask you something. Do you think there's a way to make a woman feel sexually attracted to you every single time? The answer is yes, and I'm about to break it down for you in the simplest way possible. Stick with me. This is going to change the way you think about attraction. Here's the deal: male and female attraction, totally different worlds. For most men, attraction is instant. She walks by, you notice her looks, and it's a yes or no in your head. Women, though, they don't work like that. You could be the most ripped, gym loving guy, and she might still just walk right by without giving you a second glance. Why? Because her brain is wired differently. Men have a sexual pursuit area in the brain that's 2.5 times larger than women's. This makes men naturally the pursuers, checking women out based on physical appearance. But for women, attraction isn't just about looks. It's about emotional connection. This is where most guys go wrong. So, what does emotional attraction mean? It's about the traits you display when interacting with her. Confidence, assertiveness, humor, and emotional intelligence, these are the things that catch her attention. Women aren't drawn to passivity or insecurity. If you're afraid to take the lead or constantly trying to agree with her just to stay on her good side, you're missing the point. Let's get practical. Imagine you're talking to her at a bar. You ask, "So have you been up to anything interesting lately?" She starts talking about going to the gym or eating healthy. Most guys, they'll either agree too much, "Oh yeah, me too," or shower her with compliments like, "Wow, you're so disciplined." Sounds nice, but it doesn't spark attraction. Instead, try using playfully challenging humor. When she says she's been hitting the gym, smile and say, "Wait, I said interesting? Is that the best you've got?" Or, "Oh, come on, gym stories." Let's hear something actually fun. This kind of playful confidence shows that you're not putting her on a pedestal. You're engaging her in a way that's intriguing and fun. Being assertive and playful signals confidence without coming across as arrogant. It's like saying, "I'm here to have fun and I'm not afraid to tease you a little." Women love that energy because it's refreshing and exciting. Here's the truth: looks and muscles might grab attention, but emotional traits like determination, humor, and confidence are what truly seal the deal. Ever wonder why some women end up with guys who aren't tall, ripped, or conventionally handsome? It's because those men know how to connect emotionally. They're confident, decisive, and know what they want, and that's incredibly attractive. So here's your takeaway: focus on showing emotionally attractive traits. Be confident, playful, and assertive, but always respectful. Whether it's confidence, humor, or determination, these qualities make her feel that instant yes. It's not about trying too hard or pretending to be someone you're not. Just let your personality shine in a way that's bold and engaging. And remember, attraction isn't about perfection, it's about connection. Once you understand that, you'll realize just how powerful emotional attraction can be. Now go out there and show her what you're made of. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on attraction, relationships, and confidence. See you in the next one.